Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an Apple gift card to buy Apple products. Apple gift cards can be used at the Apple Store, apple.com, or even in the App Store. Let's walk you through the process. Visit apple.com or open the Apple Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Choose the product you want, an iPhone, MacBook, AirPods, or anything else Apple offers. At checkout, select Apple gift card as your payment method. Enter the code from your Apple gift card, then click Apply to use your balance. And that's it. Your Apple gift card just got you one step closer to your new Apple device. Happy shopping! If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.